So in today's video, we are talking about Evernote's brand new CEO, Ian Small. We're going to be chatting about Chris O'Neill as well, and what's next for Evernote. So stay tuned for today's video. Hello guys, and welcome back to another video, another Evernote piece today. We have an Evernote interview with Tiago Forte today, all about what the future of Evernote is. So this came at a really weird time. If you want to check out that video, it's going to be in the description below. So guys, Ian Small is the brand new Evernote CEO. So who is Ian Small? Ian Small used to be the head of TalkBox, which is now Vonage, or is part of a company called Nexmo. He was the chairman of the company that offered an online video conferencing software. So the software was mainly developed for businesses to connect up with people, and it has now been acquired as of August 2018. So previously, Ian Small worked with Telefonica, which is a popular company, as their chief data officer as well. He also advised Paperfold, which was a UK-based email application, and is now joined as Evernote CEO. In his announcement blog post on the Evernote website, he titled it Inventing the Future, which I quite like. A couple of things in that blog post that I think you should be aware of is that he did state that Chris O'Neill was a very integral part in the last 3 years of helping Evernote get back on a financial footing. He also mentions that he's been chatting with Stefan, the founder of Evernote, about the more ways to explore and invent more at Evernote. He also states that he is a massive user of productivity applications, talking about how he is a relentless task organizer too. And what I particularly like in his statement as well is the mention of how he wants us to fall in love with us all over again at Evernote, which is quite a good statement, I'd say. Bear in mind the sort of community situation right now. And he also wants to dedicate some time to where we've fallen short and how we can do better as well, and investigating how that has really impacted the users. One thing that I really loved about this post by Ian is that he left a little personal PS at the end, and the message reads, "From as far back as I can remember, I have strong memories of my mother collecting elephant mementos. From the first day I talked with Evernote about taking the role, I thought all about those elephants and had the sense that today was somehow just meant to be." I really like that message, and I think that's something really nice to leave us with. So over on Reddit, it has all been very positive so far, and I haven't seen any negative messages. Obviously, Chris O'Neill has now left the company. Chris was CEO all the way back in 2015 where he joined, and he has really been trying to put the pillars in for supporting finance and onboarding of Evernote, making it a much more open platform for brand new users. And Tiago does point a lot to the things that they've been working on in our chat that we had here on today's video. So what does that mean for Evernote's future? As you can imagine, with a brand new CEO, I can imagine they're going to spend a lot of time developing their sort of routine in terms of getting him into touch with everything that's happening at Evernote. And I could probably see that he will try to refocus Evernote's mission, but obviously trying to continue it on the lines of work. What I quite like about the fact that he's come from a video conferencing background is that he's been very interested in the sort of enterprise side of stuff, whereas obviously he doesn't necessarily need to focus on the enterprise side of stuff. I feel like that's going to be beneficial for those who use Evernote for work. Anyway guys, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Anyway guys, what do you think about the Evernote CEO, the brand new Evernote CEO, Ian Small? It'd be great to hear in the comments. What are your sort of thoughts? What are your opinions? Are you a bit scared, or are you a bit nervous? Or are you happy that we've got a new CEO for Evernote? Let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you're brand new, subscribe and do comment with your thoughts. It'd be great to hear, and I'll see you guys in a future video. Cheers.